clarification. Okay. 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 Fine. I'll introduce myself. I'm Dev Chomal. I'm with insurance industry since past 20 years, and since past 6 years we have insured more than 1200 crore plus projects currently. Even now, within Bandra Santa Cruz, sorry, within Bandra Khar itself, we have close to 350 crore worth project insured with us currently. Coming back on the on your question and all, let me just give you a brief one. Current situation as per society bylaws. As per society bylaws, there are certain mandatory insurance which is required by all the housing society, which is the current state. Uh, currently, you will definitely have your fire and fire, earthquake, and the basic Bharat Grah Raksha insurance in place with you. Now, this is first level of cover. Second level, mandatory as per Maharashtra Excavation and Moving Works Act. In case you have a lift in your premises, so you need to have a liability cover for that. Acha, and one more thing, just to give you a perspective, I mean, I have very short time. I'll just give you very simple way. Most of you guys will be having an insurance for your car, bike. Okay, you would have taken an insurance because मैं कार चलाऊंगा in case किसी को damage हो गया and all. So any litigation coming, insurance company will pay. तो आप freely कार चलाओगे for the entire year, 5 साल, 7 साल, 3 साल, you'll drive the vehicles. Because back end में there is an insurance, although it is mandatory or whatever you say. Similar way for housing society. Okay, you'll execute whatever is required to be done for the betterment of the society. You are a committee member, you are secretary, you are chairman, whatever post you are holding. So there is a backup what you have. Just कि जिस तरह से आप बोल रहे हो third, आप कार चलाने के लिए you have an insurance, so you are tension free, stress free. There is a cover for society which is called directors and officers liability cover. It picks up all the litigations coming on the committee members, including secretary, chairman, treasurer. So the litigations on the committee members, coming from either owners, any of the members, or from the regulator. We are talking about the regulator, or even from government in case there is a penalty, because something by negligence you would have missed out on certain thing. So what happens is ki the secretary, chairman, they are responsible on individual capacity. Secretary has taken this decision, झाड़ काटना चाहिए था, नहीं कटा, it fell on the compound wall, it has damaged the wall, and 3 other things is damaged, someone is dead or injured, example. So decision is on the so litigation is coming on the secretary, chairman, or committee members as a whole. So the insurance cover, what we are saying is director officer liability cover. It picks up the litigation and it starts funding the defense cost. See, more important is the surety, bond, court fees, bail, all the defense cost policy will give reimbursement. One. Number two, in future, whatever the hearing proceeds, so policy will keep paying the advocate fees and other things. Now in future, I mean, it may happen that the case is dragged for 8 years, 10 years. 5 crore case pada hua hai, maybe this is part of it, maybe. So 6 years down the line, the person is not in the committee, right? He is not a secretary, not a chairman, he is not in a committee. Still, if he has to defend on his individual capacity. FIR में या complaint के अंदर notice में the person has intentionally put his name. I want to settle some score. तुमने मेरे को ऐसा किया था, तो मैं तुम्हारा नाम डाल दिया. So after 6 years, the person is left as it is. Only this policy advantage क्या है कि even if he is not in office, policy will defend him. Will keep paying the defense cost. See, the purpose is see how you take a third party insurance and you drive comfortably, safely and confidently. Same way as a society, you will be able to take strong decisions, correct decisions, fearless decisions. Okay, you will be able to decide what is good for the society. Okay, because everywhere you will find some people objecting for no reason, but this certain insurance cover, it will help you in there. So I will strongly recommend that, okay, since you are moving in this step, before that have your all the liabilities in place, liability cover in place. So one is, in case you have lift, you should have a liability cover, public liability for that. Even though you don't have a lift in your premises, but still public liability cover, it helps you. Okay, in case of bodily injury and all. So I'll not go in the product detail. Two, I'm talking about liability cover, basic public liability, then director officer liability, which protects the committee members. Okay, these two main. Then we are talking about, before you are, suppose you are entering a redevelopment space, I mean, with sir. So I can assure you one thing is, whatever mobile cars you purchase, आप 2 साल के बाद में वारंटी खरीदते हो कार का भी. So why have you thought about construction में आप जो काम किया है construction, उसके लिए भी there is a warranty. Builder is giving you 5-year warranty as per महारेरा. उस वारंटी का इंश्योरेंस आप निकाल सकते हो. Okay, there is a product for that. वारंटी का इंश्योरेंस निकाल सकते हैं. वारंटी इंश्योरेंस can be for 5 years, 7 years, 10 years also. Okay, so this is, I'm just sharing what is the possibility cover. Then in case there is a title, see, all the title due diligence you will be doing, builder will be doing, sir will be executing, their team will be executing, but still there is a cover for that. Title insurance is also a product which you can look at it. Then there is a negligence, error, omission of the consultants. We are talking about engineers, we are talking about consultants, architects. So there is a professional negligence, professional indemnity cover available to shield them. See, insurance company बोलेगा कि this case is because this person has done negligence. So society ने negligence किया तो suppose there is a cover. Professionally, all chartered accountants, their association, they push कि भी आपको, you need to have specific cover. So I'll just reduce.
What I would like to say, the main important is in case what is considered कि society redevelopment में जाती है और few members go to the court, okay, dissenting members बोलते हैं या जो भी हम बोलते हैं. So that cost is covered under your insurance. You will pay all the legal
Defense cost, yes.
defense cost to what extent?
Now here what happens is कि defense cost of the appropriate advocate you hire, one, court fees, bond and everything, and after few years, in case judgment comes, or in case there's some penalties there, so insurer will pay the penalty considering that.
So what I want to understand is, you say appropriate advocate or appropriate counsel, 10,000 का भी आता है, 10 लाख का भी आता है. So what is the value of insurance? 1 करोड़ का है, 50 लाख का है, 25 लाख का है, which always you will pay.
Okay. Now just answering one. So
because we will restrict our concentration on this topic to restrict के कभी कल सुबह सोसाइटी इतना सब करने के बाद भी कुछ लोग गए कोर्ट में, तो हम we are protected only to the extent of the cost, not beyond that. हार जीत तो कोर्ट बताएगा, बट वो कॉस्ट होगा. तो जस्ट टू इलेबरेट के भी है कि हम 1 करोड़ का इंश्योरेंस निकाला तो तुम 1 करोड़ तक पैसा भरोगे कि 25 लाख तक भरोगे कि 50 लाख भरोगे. ओके, क्योंकि हॉस्पिटल इंश्योरेंस में अलग है, बेड का इतना, उसका इतना, उसका इतना. बट हियर वी हैव टू बी वेरी क्लियर कि हम आपको इंश्योरेंस देंगे तो कितना, समझो 1 करोड़ का निकाले तो क्या इंश्योरेंस होगा वो बता दो, एंड देन वी विल प्रोसीड फर्दर.
Initially, suppose 50 lakhs ka, most of the society they pick up 50 lakh ka cover mostly.
Who will pay all premium amount?
Society.
Why society will pay for the omission of the chairman secretary?
नहीं, that is, see, 1 minute, that is a what I am saying is, in the case of redevelopment हो रहा है, सोसाइटी की तरफ से सब सही है, चेयरमैन सेक्रेटरी भी सही है, मेंबर भी सब है, एवरीथिंग इज डिसाइडेड एंड गोइंग अहेड. उसमें अगर कोई 3-4 जन करते, दैट इज़ अ सेपरेट योर टेंगे, वो चेयरमैन ऐसा क्या, वो ऐसा क्या, वो कोर्स ऑफ लाइन एक्शन अलग है. but when the whole society has unanimously decided to go ahead and because of 3-4 people, so society, you will pay the society. Okay?
Yes. Reimbursement to the society.
Sure,
One. Reimbursement to the member. In case individual member's name is mentioned in the notice, so individual member needs to appear and he needs to file a defense as an individual member. So all costs pertaining to individual member, policy will pay with no deductible. All policies, car insurance में आपका 1000 रुपीज deductible होता है, individual members का कोई deductible नहीं है.
So in short, 50 lakhs का कितना प्रीमियम होगा?
50 lakh for housing society about 5000 odd rupees yearly.
Yearly.
Approximately. But it is good to have, must to have rather. I can
Okay, that is a very reasonable amount.
say. This is after, you know, all the discount, negotiation, whatever least we could get from the market.
But this covers all consultants also.
Here, see, one umbrella, एक छतरी एक आदमी को बारिश से बचाएगा. जिसकी छतरी उसी को बचाएगा. Society has paid the premium, liability policy will protect the society.
So Mr. Dhumal, what I would request, I'll add you under the group, whatever is your policies are there, terms and conditions there, types of policies are there, you share it on the group and then they can, whenever is there, we will take it further.
Which insurance company normally this?
We as an insurance distributor, I'll not say कि ICICI ये करो वो करो. I'll say
जो best offer देगा वो.
इस टाइम पे जो अच्छा दे रहा है, we'll give you that.
So you are the third party.
We are
He is the insurance distributor. Okay. So now, thank you, Dhumalji, for enlightening us, at least enabling us to fight the dissenting members. But before that, we will understand the policy and the what are the hidden points in that and how to understand. So now, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
So now there are two topics. One I just wanted to say on the AI, how AI is going to be useful to us, or how it is going to affect. That is one I'll take 5-7 minutes on that and 5-7 minutes on the deemed conveyance. Okay. So and I will also try to show you some live example of how AI you also can use from tomorrow in terms of that. Okay. So basically the whole idea is what made us use AI or what made me use AI. So if you read, these are a few learnings, except from speeches. As the pace of history accelerates, development that occurred over 50 years in my lifetime will happen in 15 or even 5 years for your generation. Do you agree on that? Correct? This is why I believe that the most important thing, is everyone with me? This is why I believe that the most important thing you could have mastered in the course of your studies was not any specific body of knowledge, but rather the ability to go on learning. Yeah. Okay, so the idea is man is never old, learning is also never old, you have to keep learning. Or in age of accelerating change, even the most sophisticated skills are quickly outdated. Do you all agree on that? रातों रात कुछ भी हो सकता है, डीप सर्च आ गया, ये आ गया, GFGT भी आ गया. So agility and adaptability have become more important qualities than mere size or strength, and the race of life has gone increasingly to the nimble and the knowledgeable. Knowledge, nimble is overruling the power. So based on that, so let us understand the future of housing. Where is the slide changer? Yeah. So I'll quickly run through on that. Okay, if you see the future of housing society redevelopment by 2030. So हम यहाँ पर अटके तो हमारा सोसाइटी से जमेला है, 84 से बातचीत करना है, मैनेजिंग को हैंडल करना है, रीडेवलपमेंट करना है, समझना है. But what is there? How, where are we heading by 2030? The urban pressure cooker, demographics and density says explosive urban growth. Population दिन ब दिन हमारा सोसाइटी का बढ़ ही रहा है, बिल्डिंग भी बन रहा है, inflow is there from other states also. So that is a teething problem. Vertical growth as a necessity. If you see now, high-rise buildings are there because land नहीं है, Bombay में जगह नहीं है, तो government is happy to give us more FSI, with whatever height we require, like if you see 50 floors building, 60 floors, 70, 80, wherever we are going. But the whole idea is how Bombay can be accommodated with this growth. Slum development nexus is already there. तो स्लम भी एक बिजनेस ही हो गया है, आदमी लेता है, स्लम डिक्लेयर होता है, स्लम एक्ट में आता है, दूसरा बेचता है, स्लम का फ्लैट मिला बेचा, दूसरा जाके कि स्लम हो गया. सो दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज. इफ यू कैन सी धारावी ऑल्सो, व्हाट वाज वंस बिफोर, व्हाट इज नाउ. So that's why government went to that extent also, not eligible also, pay 2.5 lakhs and get one free flat. Okay. So this is the issue. So sustainable core, as I say कि आप की तारीख में आप समझो 2000 रुपया मेंटेनेंस आना वाला है, रीडेवलपमेंट में कम से कम 5-6 हज़ार तो होना है, because of property tax and all. But where all we can use technology to reduce that in terms of sustainable. So green building certification is there. Green building certification is how you are adapting garden, forest, whatever you can in terms of your building maintenance of plants. इसका पीछे भी एक है कि once you are certified green, once you are certified a green building, right? Okay, there is certain things that you are generating carbon credits. So there are industries who are not able to generate that credit because of the pollution of their process, manufacturing process. So to equate that, they have to buy carbon credits, which is available with green certification. So that is already tradable on the exchange, international exchange. I have a factory, I am polluting so much cubic of waste or whatever it is. So to some of that I have to buy. Okay, so what was 1 rupee at 25 rupees is now in 250 rupees. That is one source of income, which is a different chapter. But the whole idea is green certification is required. So energy efficient solar panels, rainwater harvesting, efficient waste management system will become standard features. Building will be designed to minimize energy consumption through better installation. 8 years back, in one society of Bandra, we introduced solar. Uska bill aata tha 1,25,000. After installing 50 kV, it is coming to 15,000. So that is the difference of solar. Water harvesting is a very cheap form of investing and doing it. So these are the things है कि हम पानी की ज़रूरत है, हमें free flow में पानी मिल रहा है, though it is expensive still. But day by day water crisis is going to increase. So how you can do water management? So these are all the issues are there. But how are we going to know what is? So this is through AI can you come to know where you are heading for. Like recently a trade mission had come from UK. So they said how we can identify through app or tell you that today it is going to be very humid, today it is going to be this. So they have sprinklers laid over to spray mist to make that area a bit cooler. So these are the things to come, green spaces, urban forest. Now if you see yesterday somewhere, Japan has made floating trees. दरिये में डाल दिया झाड़ लगा तो it is giving greenery, it is giving you oxygen. So people also now in fact they are making one whole city floatable. So there are so many things happening around the world. So I just wanted to give a brief insight कि where are we still, हम कहाँ अपने जो उलझनों में रहते हैं कि हमें कमिटी को समझाना है, इसको समझाना, उसको समझाना, हमको बैंक से लोन लेना है तो हमको 100% मांगता है, हम उधर ही रह गए और दुनिया किधर आगे निकल रही है. सो व्हाट इज़ दैट एंड व्हाई इज़ दैट. तो ये हमको सोचना है आगे के आगे हमारे लिए क्या है. इफ़ नॉट फॉर अस, फॉर अ चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट आर वी प्लानिंग एज अ बेटर फ्यूचर. ओके. So sustainable materials are there. Like even last one session I attended, Reliance had introduced something making cement, some mixture which is introduced in the cement, so which reduces the consumption of cement in a road making. Biggest pollutant is the manufacturing cement. Other than fly ash, it was something they have done. So like Reliance, Pura Jamnagar mein, wherever they are using that. They have proposed to the government also to reduce it, but it takes its own time. कहने का मतलब है कि इन्वेंशन आते रहता है. जैसे कि अभी इलेक्ट्रिक कार निकला तो कल सुबह जापान ने निकाल दिया कि आउटडेटेड है. EV also. There is something, it will run on hydrogen. Okay? Fueling takes place in hardly 5 minutes and it will give you 1000. So बहुत सारा कुछ होना है. तो these are all leading to sustainable living, how we can do it. टेक्नोलॉजी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन रोल, बिल्डिंग इंफॉर्मेशन, मॉड्यूलर कंस्ट्रक्शन. अभी ट्रेडिशनल व्हाट इज गोइंग टू टेक अस 30 months, मॉड्यूलर कंस्ट्रक्शन विल डू इट इन 18 months. इट सेव्स टाइम, एनर्जी अलॉट. हम जल्दी घर वापस आ सकते हैं. स्मार्ट होम टेक्नोलॉजी बहुत मेनी पीपल मस्ट बी यूजिंग बाय कमांड. मैं घर में घुसूँ तो मेरा एसी चालू हो जाए, मेरा लाइट चालू हो जाए. दिस इज ऑल मैनेजमेंट ऑफ कंजम्पशन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. घर का मेरा टेम्परेचर अगर 32 क्रॉस होएगा तो ही एसी चालू होएगा, तो ऑटोमेटिक चालू होएगा. जैसा वो 24 हो जाएगा तो बंद हो जाएगा. सो दीज आर स्मॉल स्मॉल माइन्यूट थिंग्स विच आर गोइंग टू हेल्प यू लीड अ लाइफ which is getting expensive day by day. Okay. Digital platforms for society management, many people must be using. AI data analysis, AI powered system will be used to optimize building performance, manage energy consumption, predictor. So automatically on app I get today, okay, this is going to happen, this is going to happen, this is there, how light management is done. Way back CMS computers had designed curtains also. कि उनको लाइट कम यूज़ करना पड़े तो द कर्टन्स आर टिल्टिंग एज पर द सनलाइट. जैसे कि ईस्ट से वेस्ट सन आता है तो वो हिसाब से जैसा लाइट आता है तो ऐसा कर्टन्स ऑल्सो गोज सो दैट लाइट कम. सो मिनिमम लाइट इज यूज. सो पॉलिसी, रेगुलेटरी लैंडस्केप, सिंगल विंडो क्लियरेंस विल ऑलवेज रिमेन इन आवर हार्ट. As model bylaws, financial incentive, tax breaks, subsidies, financial incentives, tenant protection, robust protection laws will be essential to ensure that residents are not unfairly displaced during redevelopment. So RERA is there, density, FSI is there, we heard on that. Social community aspect, community engagement, inclusive design, community spaces, addressing senior citizen needs. As the population ages, redevelopment projects will need to cater to the specific. So these are all issues social related to, I think quite a some we understood that कि ये सब issues तो हमको आना है. तो ये समझ के बाद क्या हमें redevelopment करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए. So we have to take a collective decision in terms of that. Financial, economic consider, innovative financing models will come. Okay. एक टाइम था कोई बैंक खड़ा नहीं करता था फाइनेंसिंग के लिए. टुडे गवर्नमेंट इज पुशिंग द बैंक्स कि भाई if you are doing self development, do the funding. Because that is the best proposal to do in terms of that, and cheapest form also. Increase property value, you have a good sustainable green building, environment is friendly, it is more garden ready. हम कब तक वो जब enjoy करेंगे तो automatically you start living and connecting with nature. That is more important. नहीं तो कोई भी कितना भी building बड़ा होगा, अच्छा building बना, but open space is zero. Where will your children stay? Or how it is happening. So these are all things when impact is there. Redevelopment projects will create jobs in the construction, real estate and real estate. By 2000, society, a complex and multifaceted process driven by combination of demographic pressures, technological advancements, policy changes. Success will depend on careful planning, effective collaboration, commitment to creating sustain. So mindset has to change. How we can use that. How expensive it is, or whether it is expensive, or whether it is saving ourselves. So sustainable housing in Mumbai, AI-powered vision, executive summary, current challenges in Mumbai housing landscape is aging infrastructure. जैसे कि कोई कहता था कि बिल्डिंग तो बनेगा, कंक्रीट जंगल भी होगा, क्या उसको रिलेटेड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इज ऑल्सो टेकिंग स्पेस और नो. सीवरेज है, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है, वाटर है. तो गवर्नमेंट इज ट्राइंग, जैसे कि मलाड, मारवे, कांडीवली, वो सब एरिया को फ्यू मंथ्स बैक दे डिक्लेयर्ड इट टू डेवलप ऑन लाइन्स ऑफ BKC, एंड दैट हैज़ बीन अवॉर्डेड टू MMRD के यू डू द प्लानिंग. देन रिसेंटली वॉज अनाउंस्ड मुंबई 3. ओके. सो मुंबई 3 न्यू बॉम्बे बना, लेकिन इट सो मेनी ईयर्स टू कम अप टिल एयरपोर्ट वॉज अनाउंस. नहीं तो न्यू बॉम्बे, व्हाट वाज द फेलियर? नो प्रॉपर ट्रांसपोर्ट. ओके. या मुझे गाड़ी में जाना है तो 1-1.5 घंटा लगना है, ट्रेन है कि नहीं. सो देर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स. सो दैट वाज द पिटफॉल ऑफ न्यू बॉम्बे विच दे हैव रियलाइज कि नाउ मुंबई 3 इज बीइंग डेवलप्ड, बट फर्स्ट connectivity has to be developed in terms of that. The infrastructure has to develop, then only will people would prefer. लाइक आज मुझे समझो फुल मेट्रो फुल हाउस हो गया, आई डोंट नीड अ कार, मैं बैंड्रा से बैठ के मलाड भी पहुंच जाऊंगा इधर उधर चेंज करके, बट आई कैन कंफर्टेबली गो. सो द होल आइडिया इज कि वंस इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इज डेवलप्ड टू फर्दर एक्सटेंड पीपल विल स्टार्ट मूविंग. जैसे कि अनाउंस हो गया कोस्टल रोड, तो यू सॉ द कोस्टल रोड बैंड्रा टू नरीमन पॉइंट in 20 minutes, right? So again, Nariman Point got a new birth. Otherwise, it was lost and forgotten. People were not willing to go. People traveled towards a northern side. So rapid population growth, limited urban space, environmental sustainability increasing. So कहने का मतलब है कि in short में whatever measures आप लोगे आपके रीडेवलपमेंट में, इट विल गिव यू अ बेटर प्रॉपर्टी वैल्यू इन टर्म्स ऑफ पीपल प्रिफर दैट. बाकी तो बिल्डिंग, हर बिल्डिंग को बनाना है, हर सेकंड बिल्डिंग बनाना है, तो तुम किधर हो? बिकॉज ये सवाल भी आता है कि कभी तक है और कितना माल बिकेगा, क्यों बिकेगा, तो कौन लेगा? तो हम आज सपने हम कर रहे हैं, हमारे सपने साकार हो गए कि नहीं? सो जवाब उसका वही है, सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट इज द, क्योंकि आपको कॉस्टिंग मालूम पड़ता है, यू नो बिल्डर्स प्रॉफिट इज गोइंग डाउन. ओके, आप गेट क्रैश नहीं करो, आप प्राइस क्रैश करके भी यू कैन लिव अ वंडरफुल हाउस. तो कोई भी बोलेगा आधे भाव में भी मेरा होगा, माल बिकता है एंड आई एम स्टिल गेटिंग अ न्यू बिल्डिंग, व्हाई नॉट? सो दैट हैज़ टू कम इन. सो इंटेलिजेंट प्लानिंग will revolutionize urban planning, predictive modeling, optimal space utilization, comprehensive. So कहने को तो बहुत कुछ है. Designs will change, architects will change, and the planning will change at a flick of a second. I'll just show you, try to show you one live on how effective it is, how it is changing everyone's life also, and how it is making things easier for me. Yeah. So sustainable material selection, carbon footprint reducing modeling. Okay. So these are the basic issue. I just as a introduction today. Probably later on, once can have a special session on this, how it can make a difference in your life, so that you can make a difference in others' life. Okay. Smart resource planning, intelligent water cycling. As you say, water harvesting is one, collecting water. Water recycling is the same water, you can recirculate it and use it. Okay. Right now they may cost you a few lakhs, but that same water you are using. So आपका water cost, municipality का demand भी कम हो जाएगा, cost भी कम हो जाएगा, because you are circulating the same. So there are already companies who are making this issue. So that is one biggest, our cost factor is that. Electricity is there, can be done through solar. उसमें भी बहुत सारा improvement आ रहा है in terms of panel. जो पहले 60,000 kilowatt tha, it has come to 40,000 and it will go on increasing, right? Like the day I saw on Facebook, tiles were made where you walk in it and the electricity is generated. It was presented to the Prime Minister. So these are information we see, energy consumption, renewable, waste management. Our major cost of maintenance is this, which if attended properly, done properly, can give you a better relaxed life. Technology enables IoT, sensor networks, machine learning, blockchain, automated still. So predictive maintenance and infrastructure health, A will enable proactive infrastructure management, structural health, predictive, early detection, cost effective. So हम हमारी बिल्डिंग में रहते हैं, but if through AI technology and sensors, आपको पहले से बोलेगा इधर से लीकेज आना है. अपना लेमैन भाषा में आपको समझ होगा, आपको मालूम पड़ेगा कि इधर लीकेज होने का है. It is going to come. क्लाइमेट क्या चेंज होने वाला है, वेदर क्या चेंज होने वाला है, व्हाट इज़ दे. हम हमारी हेल्थ में कभी कुछ आता है तो हम कहते हैं हमारे आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेल, आई एम फीलिंग अनईजी. बिल्डिंग कैन नॉट टॉक. सो बिल्डिंग हैज़ टू बी मेड टू टॉक थ्रू द टेक्नोलॉजी के देर इज समथिंग. देर आर वाटर लीकेजेस जो होता है, टेरेस का अक्सर इश्यू होता है, बट द वाटर लीकेज इनसाइड विच कैन नॉट बी सीन. So there are machines there to detect that there is a water leakage in that area. Unless you fix that, कितना भी बार waterproofing करो कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. So these are the use of technology. What I am trying to understand today. There is drone technology भी है. You don't need people. There are drone से आपको किधर delivery हो सकता है. Heart transplant भी हो गया drone से. So it is everything is towards better living. So where are we standing in that? Are we aware of it? Are we going to improve on it? And what is the cost? That is also there. So not taking much time of yours, community engagement is there. So I just now want to, this I will share with you, okay, rather than me reading, okay, because we have one deep conveyance to understand, okay. So I'll just show you one live example in how terms AI can help you. I'll just try. You that, okay. This has to come on screen. Okay, so many people must be aware of this. Gemini is one of the AI assistant tool of Gmail. Okay, so so it is your personal assistant. So now I am going to write on future of redevelopment of sustainable housing society with 230. Traditionally, what I have to find out, research, Google say nikalo, wo nikalo, copy paste kiya, ye kiya. This I am just writing, and we are going live. Okay, so it takes just a second. Future of, you have been signed out. Okay, इसका कुछ इलाज है? Okay. That's not my email. Jude, आपका पासवर्ड डालेंगे तो हमको आगे मिल. But you just had a glimpse of what I was trying to show you. But we will see it. Yeah. So all thanks to Jude, who is. हाँ वही. Gemini, yeah. Okay, let me see if I get this once again. So, okay. Chalo, I'll put my account, try. Chalo, okay. Yeah. Okay. Hi there. Let's see. Yes. What's the number? Okay. So let us. Huh? Yeah? Okay. Chalo. Yeah. Or anyone wants to ask anything? I'll write. Okay. Future of redevelopment of housing societies by 2030. Okay? Mumbai. I'll put it. So he's saying, wait. It's not too far. So you saw how fast this is live, okay? ये मुझे लिखने का होगा तो कितना दिन लगेगा? But you got this. Landscape of housing society reader is likely to be characterized. So you got the hang of it, okay, what is AI in short? Okay. Any other question? Okay. Pardon? Negative सोचना ही नहीं हमें. Am I right? Okay, now as she said in Mumbai. हो गया? Okay. Okay, it's already giving. वो भी समझ गया, ये अकबर ही पूछ रहा है तो मैं समझता हूँ. Okay. So this was just the gist of it कि इतना बहुत लिखना, इतना बहुत डेटा जमा करना, it is beyond our mind to write and all that. So this is how I come to you with lot of learnings from this. And I am also doing a course on this AI just to keep in tune with what it is. Okay, so I have to be PMC with a difference, right? Yeah.
After some time, Gemini will be asking you. Please ask us.
Yeah, let's hope so. So any other question before anything you ask? कुछ भी बोलो. है कोई सवाल?
में आप लेने वाले थे
वो ले रहा हूँ और 10 मिनट आपकी लूँगा. But I'll just one more. I'll put draft and draft a document for specific power of attorney for developer for redevelopment. Yeah, 5 minutes will there. Bas. Okay. Specific power of attorney given to the builder. But it is artificial intelligence after all. We are human intelligence, we are super. So it's always called ke I am the pilot, this apps and all is a co-pilot. Huh? Yeah, so ultimately that finding 90% तो काम हो गया ना मुझे. Yeah. हाँ.
सर इसमें कि
So-
बिल्डर को हम लोग वो पीओए देते हैं वो पीओए को उसमें वर्डिंग ऐसा होना चाहिए कि आफ्टर यू गेट ओसी दैट पीओ विल द पीओ विल एंड इट विल टर्मिनेट ऑटोमेटिकली ऐसा कुछ एक क्लॉज डालना चाहिए.
So that is different के why you do the fine tuning, but this is वो फाइन ट्यूनिंग में हम हमारे और क्लॉजेस डाल सकते हैं जो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस नहीं सोच सकता है. बट ये एक ढांचा जो होता है फॉर्मेट ड्राफ्टिंग. या Yeah, so now we'll do with the Deem conveyance. Okay. Okay. So I'll just so I'll just verbally explain what is Deem conveyance. So basically जब redevelopment होता है societies का, wherein the landowner is there, okay, landowner gives it or society gives the development to the housing society, okay. So landowner gives the rights to the developer, a private landowner gives the development rights to the developer. Yeah. डेवलपर बिल्डिंग बनाता है, सेलेबल कंपोनेंट बेचता है, उसका हाउसिंग सोसाइटी उसको बनाना है. तो रेरा एक्ट के हिसाब से तो सेलेबल कंपोनेंट का 51% माल बेच दिया तो देन एंड देन कंपल्सरी हैज टू मेक अ हाउसिंग सोसाइटी रजिस्टर्ड अंडर द कोऑपरेटिव एक्ट. सो वी फॉल इनटू द कोऑपरेटिव एक्ट. ओके. सो वंस रीडेवलपमेंट इज डन एंड द सोसाइटी इज फॉर्म, OC is received. First, initially it was required to deem conveyance agar developer has to give conveyance of that land within 4 months of OC. that is the rule. Okay, builder was not giving, क्योंकि फ्यूचर में अगर कोई FSI मुझे बड़ा मिलेगा कि पहले 2 था अभी 4 मिलता है, तो बिल्डर ऐसा समझता था वो मेरा राइट्स है, वो आपसे फ्लैट बेचने के टाइम पे लिखा भी लेगा कि आगे का राइट्स मेरा, फ्री ऑफ FSI मेरा, जो भी बेनिफिट मेरा, सब लिखवा लेगा आपसे. ओके, एंड देयरफॉर ही डजंट गिव यू द कन्वेंस ऑफ द लैंड. सो उसको लेके बहुत सारा डिस्प्यूट्स वेंट इनटू द हाई कोर्ट एंड ऑल दैट, के बिल्डर इज नाउ एंटाइटल्ड टू गिव कन्वेंस विद इन 4. इट इज हिज स्टैट्यूटरी राइट, ऑब्लिगेशन ही हैज टू डू. ओके, दैट इज इट इज कंपल्सरी बाय लॉ. नहीं करता है तो इट ऑल्सो फॉल्स एज अ क्रिमिनल ऑफेंस. ओके, बट हाउ डू वी ब्रिंग दैट टाइटल on our of a property to us? So in 2018 this government issued a GR guidelines. In such a case where the owner is not giving you conveyance of that land title to the society, or the developer is not giving, you have to make an application to the district deputy register, since you are already formed a housing society, and only housing society only can apply for a ownership of that land. District deputy register is there. You send a notice. First you have to send a notice to the developer and to the owner. Kindly give us deemed conveyance as is required and all that. Failing which we will take further action. You give them 15 days time, send one more notice, and then you directly apply to the district deputy register. District deputy register is not to dispute on the title of the property. He is only to see that this society was made, this building was made, this flats was sold, and what is the plot area as mentioned on the building plan. Okay? So there is a confusion where certain developments have taken with TDR. Okay? So that TDR cannot be considered as a conveyance of the land. आपका 1000 मीटर का प्लॉट होगा और आप 2000 मीटर का बिल्डिंग बनाए with the TDR. So you don't get title to 2000 square meters. You will get what is there physically in terms of written in the building plan also कि 1000 मीटर का प्लॉट है, TDR लिया, लेकिन 1000 मीटर is entitled which is mentioned in the building plan. आर्किटेक्ट लोग सर्टिफिकेट ऐसा घुमा के देते थे कि नो इट इज़ 2000 मीटर TDR लिया. तो दिस डिस्प्यूट जनरली अराइजेज एक प्लान में और एक सिटी सर्वे में 2 बिल्डिंग बना, 2 सोसाइटी बना. तो एक सोसाइटी बोलेगा कि मेरा प्लान था 1400 मीटर का, तो मुझे 1400 मीटर मिलना होता है. दूसरा प्लॉट बोलेगा मैंने TDR लेके 2500 मीटर बनाया, तो मेरा एंटाइटल 2500 मीटर का होता है. तो डिस्प्यूट गोज देयर, फाइनली इट गोज टू द कोर्ट. कोर्ट हैव गिवन n number of judgments on deemed conveyance. One is as per the architect certifying what is there on the plan, nothing else. खुद का कैलकुलेशन मत करो कि TDR में है लिया वो लिया, वो वेरीफाई. जैसे कि आप डेप्यूटी रजिस्टर में आपका रिकवरी का इशू होगा, आप बोलेगा मेरा अकाउंट ये है, मेरा लेजर ये है, वो क्या देखेगा, व्हाट इज सर्टिफाइड बाय CA. सिमिलरली आर्किटेक्ट इज टू जस्ट सर्टिफाई, एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट हियरिंग टेक्स प्लेस. द डिस्ट्रिक्ट डेप्यूटी रजिस्टर, ओनर इज इन्वाइटेड. इफ़ यू डोंट नो 40 साल जूना बिल्डिंग है, उसका अगर ऑफ हो गया, बैटरी खत्म हुआ, हेलो हेलो, हाँ हो गया, AI पावर्ड. सो you apply with the deputy register, he calls for hearing, owner of the plot, developer of the plot, what they have to say. Developers say, abhi project is not completed, I have still to build. Okay, मुझे extra FSI मिलना है, मुझे काम complete करना है, मेरा project complete नहीं हुआ है. लेकिन judgments कोर्ट का क्या है, that is history. कुछ भी लिखा के लिया, कुछ भी लिखे लिया, इन दी अग्रीमेंट जो आपको बोलते हैं ना, वो लिखा लेता है, ये मेरा, ये FSI मेरा, ये मेरा. आज की तारीख में दैट इज़ ऑल ज़ीरो. द मोमेंट अ हाउसिंग सोसाइटी इज रजिस्टर्ड, all rights of the developer is extinguished, in simple language. There was a reason, पहला point था कि you need a OC also. Okay, now there are 50,000 societies where OCs are not there. पार्ट भी नहीं चल रहा है. सो द होल आइडिया इज, बट दैट कंडीशन गवर्नमेंट रियलाइजिंग दैट, बोले हम मांगेंगे तो मिलेगा, समझाएंगे तो बोलेगा, दैट कंडीशन इज ऑल्सो नाउ वेव्ड. Even if you don't have a OC, but you have a registered society and you can apply. So the district deputy register, after hearing everyone, he issues an order, okay, I am ordering they are entitled to this much area as per the plan area mentioned, and then he passes an order of deemed conveyance. Then the stamp duty, suppose there are 10 members, दैट एजुडिकेशन पे जाता है. पहले क्या था कि 210 का पहला तुम भरो फिर ये आगे बढ़ो. दैट ऑल्सो इज गोइंग. अभी एक ही अग्रीमेंट दो, आफ्टर आई पास दी ऑर्डर इट गोज टू एजुडिकेशन. तो उसमें 10 फ्लैट जो रहेगा उसमें से एक भी नहीं भरा होगा तो ही हैज़ टू पे दैट स्टैम्प ड्यूटी एंड पे. आफ्टर पेइंग दैट ऑल अग्रीमेंट्स हैज़ टू बी स्टैम्प ड्यूटी पेड. देन adjudication is done, order is made, that much whatever payment has to be made, you have to make that payment. And then the district deputy register is entitled to register the conveyance document on behalf of the owner or developer. So पैसा मिलेगा.
सर बट उसने जानबूझ के अगर पार्शियल ओसी दिया है तो
सर वो पार्शियल ओसी भूल जाओ, नो ओसी को भी मिलता है. पार्शियल ओसी भूल जाओ.
लैंड है